Hello, this is going to be a quick AtlasHR tutorial on to-do items in the UKG Ready platform. So, if you are a manager, an employee, or an admin, you might have to-do items. Up here in the notification bell, you can see a lot like Facebook. It tells you the number of notifications you have, and also in the My Mailbox widget, if you have added that to your dashboard, you can see those notifications as well. This just lets you know when there's something that you need to do in the system. And these to-do items are broken out into two categories. There's My To-Do items and My Checklists. And we'll view these full screen. I'm going to click on the notification bell in the upper right-hand corner. So the My To-Do items section, these are things that are more of an approval or rejection or a review perhaps. Whereas the My Checklist items are steps that you might be completing. If you're a new hire, you might be completing your onboarding checklist, or if you're the manager of a new hire, you might be completing steps that are part of your employees' onboarding. So they're checklist, My To-Do items, they're similar but divided into two different tabs here. So on the My To-Do items tab, if you want to say this top one here is approve, reject benefit plan change request. So Josh Bronson submitted a benefit plan change request, and Kathy Watts, who I'm logged in as now, is the approver of that change request. So if I want to, if I've already discussed this with Josh and I know what he just submitted, I can click approve. But if I want to go in and view that, I can click the view benefit enrollment request here, and I can take a look and see what he enrolled in here. So all of these approvals are usually going to give you an option to go in and view whatever the employee has submitted. And it'll usually give you a little bit of information right here as a preview as well. But if it's good, I can click approve, and it's going to give me another window. And this will change from approval to approval if it pops up another window to confirm. But I'm going to go ahead and say yes, approve. And then this is done. On the checklists, I'm going to jump over to the checklist tab. If I'm participating in a checklist, or this is my checklist as a new hire, I'd come down here and click go to checklist. And it's going to jump me over to the checklist view, and it will show me any steps that I need to complete. And again, whether I'm a manager or an admin or just someone in HR or accounting that has steps to complete as part of a new hire's onboarding, or maybe this is an annual compliance form signing checklist. It could be a lot of different things, but either way, when I click into the checklist, it'll show me the steps that I need to complete, and it'll usually have instructions on each step with what I need to do. And when those are complete, your checklist will be marked as complete, and it will disappear from your to-do items. To go back to your main menu, you can click this back button here, or you can click your company logo up here, and that'll jump you right back to your main dashboard here. That concludes our quick run through of the to-do items in the UKG Ready platform. Thanks, and have a good day.